こいつ。はい。
今。
いや、私が一人入ってたら、今も言われた。
So that's the vending machine. So day 3 is only chill. Wait lang. So we're just the three of us kasi my other cousin is sick. So chill time lang tayo dito sa Osaka. And Tito. No, Tito has also work. Yeah. I want to buy ice cream.
We make, okay, later.
Are you talking to me?
Ice cream too, Malcolm? There,
You want?
okay. You can
Yeah.
video first here. Of that. That's hard. Stop. Okay. Ay, panis ka boy. You want panis ka boy? You see panis ka boy. You see like this. Panis ka boy. Panis ka boy. You saw.
So while my mom is having OOTD, dito muna ako maglalakad. Look at so many tourists foreigners. Up, up, up. Watch it. You have to watch the way. So yeah.
The energy here is so different.
I heard emergency. Oh, hello. Merry Christmas. Oh.
Let's walk around.
Yeah. Look.
No, for souvenirs. Wanna look?
Wanna look? Oh.
Video mo pa.
Hi, Macam. Look.
God. Okay, picture natin. Malcolm, look.
Okay. Hindi rin. Oh yeah, is that the anime store? Oh, there's sushi store. Look, all right. Sorry for that. So again, we ate there a while ago, the McDo. So sa apartment namin, ang init na talaga because naka-heater. It's not that cold anymore. It's not really cold today.
Sorry. David.
Beautiful. Oh my god, so we saw another takoyaki store. Hindi pa ako nasasawa dyan, grabe, hindi pa ako nasasawa dito. Tuwing nasa Pilipinas kami, Japan, takoyaki, so idol talaga ang Philippines and Japan. Oh yes.
Fries? What do you like? You did not like fries? From where? Fries where? McDonald's? Are you hungry yet? Where's the fries? Yeah.
Where are we going?
Oh, that's fries.
Oh, that.
Is this a toy?
Yeah.
Google Translate.
So guys, this one, no? I'd like to order that. Parang, mami, oh, pwede pala gumawa ng okonomiyaki. I want this.
You want to try this?
Yeah.
No, wait lang.
Okay.
What is this?
Try to translate it.
Oh, this is...
I think this is just a toy. It's not real food.
That's a toy?
Yeah, I think.
You want to try? Maybe we will...
Let's look. So guys, tatlo lang kami nakalabas dahil my other cousin is not feeling well again. Oh. So it's a quiet time in Japan. Still seeing beautiful tourists. Hello. Konnichiwa. Look.
siya open.
Right. Oh, samurai! Naruto. But there's the Naruto. Oh. Touch. Sorry. Where are we going, Mommy?
No more na end na yun, no? Yung Shinsekai.
Yeah, we ate there.
This is my property. This is my.
Oh, we can take a picture here.
Oh, sure.
We can take a picture here. Come on. David.
Uh-oh. Uh-huh.
Wait.
So, papalamig na. It's getting cool. Uy! Pancake and burger! Malcolm, look. You wanna try this? I wanna try this too.
Are you gonna eat the top burger?
What?
Are you gonna eat the top burger and then cheese and then patty and then cheese?
Parang
and
hindi
then
ko
patty
ata
and
kaya to. I think we can cut that. I'll eat only a little of this.
We eat in the, we buy takeout and then we eat together with Nina.
What we will take out, Makdo? Okay, Lawson na lang. Gyoza.
Yeah, let's watch him and then you check if you can.
I can do that.
Right? So guys, I'll end the video right now. Thank you so much, and more beautiful tourist culture people, culture evaluation to us. God bless.